Hello everyone, welcome to Tasty in Situ. Today we're making dry okra soup. The dry okra is made out of the fresh okra. In season, when it is harvested, there's a lot of it, and then people get to dry it, ground it, and keep it for later when the okra is not in season. The okra simply serves as a thickener. This is the powdered dry okra. Here you see me sieve it. I'm trying to take off some of the chaff. Many times when it's harvested, there's some of the okra that is not so young and fresh. You have the older ones there and they form some kind of chaff when it's dry, and so I get to sieve it off. Next, I'm going to be using this beef. I'm going to make just a little pot of soup. So I'm going to use like half of this. So my beef goes in. The onions I chopped in earlier. And then some water to cook and make broth. In there I have habanero pepper and just a little stockfish. And I have Maggi bouillon cubes. I'm adding some salt to taste, and then I let everything cook. As usual, I keep an eye just to make sure it doesn't dry out. I just added dry fish, crayfish, and some water to cook for 5 minutes. If you like this video, if you like the content that you see, subscribe, join us, share. Here you get to see me add palm oil. I'm adding about half a cup palm oil. Those are 2/4 cups, and I'm mixing. And so the beef, dry fish, crayfish, stockfish, the medley comes together. By the way, I hear myself saying okra. Let me know in the comment section what you think the correct pronunciation is. I'm adding a spice called Uziza spice. This spice is just it. Once you put it in your soup, it's a game changer. And finally, I'm adding my sieved dry okra. In a very short time, you'll see it begin to thicken the soup. And when it's thickening, if it's too thick, you could thin it out with some water, or you could turn down your heat to reduce the speed at which it is drying out. That's exactly what I'm doing. Watch how I'm making sure that all of the okra powder gets mixed in. And then you let your okra finish off for like 5 to 10 minutes. And then your okra will be ready to be served. By the way, you could drop in some vegetables for a finish. Any vegetable of your choice is good. Or you could just slice in some okra, big chunks, maybe thin slices, just for garnish. But today I'm serving this soup with pounded yam, and I'm serving it plain. The dry okra soup is just tasty. It's simple, it's easy, could be served with any other kind of fufu, eba, semo, whichever of your choice. Enjoy! This is so tasty. Situ